So today we are at Antech Microsystems Private Limited.
So wherever machines are with two axes, like router machine, CNC wire cut machine, gas cutting, laser cutting, beam drilling, drilling machines, all these programs are two axes. So this program can be directly converted into a CNC programs. So operator need not have to enter any coordinates. He just make a one-to-one drawing and convert that program into CNC program. And earlier it used to take more than 3 hours
Okay.
for writing the program. Now if drawing is ready, they make the program in 5 minutes.
So after sales service is most important. From last 25 years, how you are supporting so much of customers with the support. Hello friends, my name is Ashish Sato. As you know, we are conducting a series of interviews where the engineering companies and the manufacturing firms can improve their productivity by using the specialized add-on tools. So today we are at Antech Microsystems Private Limited with Anand sir.
Hi.
So Anand sir has developed a software named as CADlink. It's a two-axis programming CNC software, and they have developed this software not only 1-2 years. The last 25 years they have developed this software and supplying it to the various manufacturing industries. So we can just deep dive into this particular software capabilities and how this particular software used in industry and what are the benefits. Namaste sir.
Namaste.
Sir, just let us know about the CADlink software, sir.
Yeah, actually, mainly CADlink software is a programming software. You know, CADlink and AutoCAD and other all 2D CAD software, including ZWCAD and various softwares available. They're all 2D softwares.
Okay.
So we draw that 2D drawings in the computer, and the same drawing can be converted into a CNC program. And CNC program is also two-axis program.
Okay.
So wherever machines are with two axes, like router machine, CNC wire cut machine, gas cutting, laser cutting, beam drilling, drilling machines, all these programs are two axes. So this program can be directly converted into a CNC programs. So operator need not have to enter any coordinates. He just make a one-to-one drawing and convert that program into CNC programs.
So the operator don't have to do entry the data on that the screen is there on the machine basically. So he don't have to enter any kind of data over there. So directly once you make the drawing, directly the 2D program.
Directly program. Even we have a case at Thermax where there are more 700, 800 drawings holes are there. And earlier it used to take more than 3 hours.
Okay.
For writing the program. Now if drawing is ready, they make the program in 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. So it's a great time saving for the manufacturing companies like as you mentioned Thermax. So I guess that there are many more companies they can use this.
Yes. Yeah, there are many companies. Recent we have done at rail coach factory where we have a laser machine.
Okay.
So they have a large machine where there is a laser cutting. So that laser cutting is done in the drawing file. Drawing is taken into our CADlink software.
Okay.
And then it generates the CNC program. It also even covers various repositioning also. You know, rail coach rail coach. They are very big.
Right.
But the machine travel is limited.
Right.
So one travel, then again laser, then another travel. All thing happens automatically.
Okay. So
and for a good news is like that we have implemented ZWCAD over here.
Oh, okay.
And it's working very fine.
Okay, okay. So along with this, as this is working with the ZWCAD, what are the other CAD platforms that CADlink supports?
CADlink earlier started with AutoCAD, of course, because AutoCAD is a very well-known software it was, and it worked. We had given this CADlink for electronica wire cut and various wire cut machines.
Okay.
Based on AutoCAD.
Okay.
So AutoCAD we have more number of installations, and we have installation on Solid Edge.
Okay.
So we were Solid Edge Voyager member for several years.
Oh, okay. Great.
Solid Edge used to work with CNC program.
Okay.
And now from last 1 year we have implemented on ZWCAD because of the licensing issue and now it's a one-time investment in ZWCAD. So it made us our customers are comfortable is going for a perpetual license.
Okay. So if we consider the industry wise, sir, basically as you mentioned couple of names that routing and all. So if you tell us more about that, basically what are the segments it can be get used so that our manufacturer whose main task is that he wants to reduce the time, basically he wants to reduce his man hours and increase the productivity. So just can you just explain what type of domains it will serve or the segments?
Manufacturing segment, wherever there is a CNC, NC CNC machine, and if there is a lot of programming requirement, then he needs some kind of software.
Okay.
Now it depends upon the complexity. If it is a simple only drilling operations, 2 axis, and or it is only a profile milling or profile laser, gas cutting, there this software is very much suitable.
Okay.
Because then you don't require any 3D complex machining and all. For 3D complex, of course, there are very good advanced software available in the market. But if the use is very limited to 2 axis, then CADlink is a perfect low cost solution for industry.
And most important, it has been developed in Pune and in India. That I would like to add. So I would like to share you what is the 2 axis. That means we live in the 3 axis environment. There are X and Y. You might have used in your curriculum the graph paper. Okay, during your school days or colleges days. So X and Y is the 2 axis. When we add Z to it, it becomes the 3 axis environment, and all we are living in 3 axis environment. So, sir has mentioned one specific thing, that is the CNC. CNC is nothing but a computer numerical control. So, there are wide range of steps are there. If you would like to know what is NC, CNC, DNC or all these things, so we have done one specific educational video on that. So, you can go through that and you can learn more on it. So, coming back, so if you are using the any kind of 2 axis drawing, or if you have any kind of 2 axis operations that you would like to do with the help of CNC machine, then CADlink is the perfect solution for that.
Yes.
And sir, regarding costing, as you said, is affordable. So how affordable? So can you just give some glimpse on that?
I can give you some kind of range. It starts from 50,000 to 1.5 lakhs rupees.
It depends on what type of machines and compatibility.
If it is a multi resonance, multi level machining laser machine, it's costly.
Okay.
And if it is a simple 2 axis or beam drilling machine and all, then it is in the lower range.
Sir, on the same, sir, when we talked about any kind of software, so after sales service is most important, because software, once we have sale and it is related to the machine, so you can just also let us know from last 25 years how you are supporting so much of customers with the support, sir.
Yeah, we already have more than 500 customers of CADlink.
Okay.
And many customers like GKN and other companies are in AMC. And we have a dedicated engineer, 1 or 2 engineers sitting in the office. Some are moving around and we serve them.
Okay.
Mostly online, offline.
Okay, so all the ways, that means the support is there, because product is once, but after sales service plays very important
role. It plays very important.
And you are there from last 25 years, or the Antech is there from last 28 years. So that means definitely you are providing, that means the good support to your customers.
Yeah, we are trying to do that.
Yeah, it's a continuous process.
Continuous process.
Yeah. Okay. So on this regard, I would like to give thanks to Anand sir for giving us this time to showcase their CADlink software in the add-on category. So we will bring such kind of new add-ons and productivity improvement tools that is suited to specific to the industry. So keep watching Camtech Solutions videos on the technology. Thank you.